This shop had made $90,000 by selling children coloring pages. And in this video, I am going to share with you how you can also make a similar business without spending a single penny with the help of AI. If you are interested in making passive income, make sure you stick to the video to the end, where I will give you my personal secret which generates me $1,000 last month. So no further delay, let's start with the video. I was scrolling on Etsy where I found that there is a high demand for children's coloring pages, and there is not a lot of competition here. As you can see, this shop Lilacs and Charcoal got 58,000 sales, and made over $250,000 by selling coloring pages. Another shop's Twin Genuity Graphics got over 110K sales, and made over $500,000 profit. There are lots of examples who make tons of money by selling coloring pages. And you can also make money by following my steps in this video. And you don't have to worry about anything, all the work is going to be done by AI. So for establishing a stunning coloring page shop, we need to follow 3 steps. First, niche for your coloring page. Second, design for your coloring pages. And third, the marketplace where you are going to sell your coloring pages. So moving to the first one, selecting a niche. And this is the most important part of the video. Selecting a good niche will give you an unfair advantage. And so for that I am going to use Chat GPT. I am sure most of you already know about Chat GPT, but for those who don't know, it's an AI program that essentially has a conversation with you. So you can ask whatever you want, and it will give you very specific and detailed information, based on the text that you type. So at the bottom here is where you're going to ask Chat GPT any questions that you have. So, I went ahead and typed in list some ideas for children's coloring pages, because I just want to get some ideas on what I can create. And right away, it's giving me so many amazing ideas. Some animal coloring pages, cartoon characters, vehicles. Now for copyrighted characters, like Mickey Mouse and Tom and Jerry, I'm going to stay away from that. But I really like the ideas of animals, fantasy, and vehicles. You can also do store research on Etsy, and find out what is selling best now. And remember, finding a good niche is the most important thing in this business. So take the time you need and come up with something amazing. So now let's say you find a good niche, for example, let's say vehicles coloring pages. And now you need some design for your coloring pages. Before artificial intelligence, you have to learn design skills, or you have to pay freelancers lots of money who design your coloring pages. But now you don't have to worry about these things. Introducing Leonardo AI. It's another AI program that is going to generate images for us. And you can see all these beautiful images which are generated by someone in this AI. You can also see the prompt use in this image and the negative prompt use in this image. For getting started, you need to get early access, so click on this icon and write your email. And click Count Me In. After that, this page comes on your screen which says to join the Discord server, but you don't necessarily need to join their Discord, because all the work is going to be done on the web. So go back and click the launch app. After that, click on I am whitelisted. After that, it will ask you to log in. Simply click on login and proceed, then click on continue with Google and select your Google account. Congratulations, you have successfully created your account on Leonardo AI. This AI work on a token system. It gives you 150 token per day in the free plan, and with this you can generate 150 images per day. I think this is more than enough, but if you want more you can upgrade your plan. So now clicks on AI image generation in user tools, and this is the place where all the magic is going to happen. So here we are going to enter the image prompt. So I started off with coloring book page, cartoon car, Tomorrowland, black and white, clear defined dark lines and line border, and click on generate. Within a few seconds, Leonardo generated these beautiful images for me. I mean, look at these. They are so detailed and beautiful, and now I am going to collect all these beautiful coloring pages. You can simply download this image by clicking here. You can also download this image as PNG. And you can also upscale this image. So now we have some great coloring pages. We need a marketplace where we can sell our digital product. And for that I choose Etsy. The reason I choose Etsy is because it's the biggest marketplace in the world for selling digital products. But you can also go for other options if you want, like selling coloring books at Amazon KDP, but that's for the whole other video. For getting started on Etsy, you have to create your account, so click on login and create your account. So now you create your Etsy account, but this is not a seller account. You can't open your shop until you create a seller account. And for that, go to the profile icon and click on sell on Etsy. And fill in the information it asks. It will ask you some basic information, like your shop name, product title, image, etc. If you face any problem creating seller account, you can watch a tutorial on YouTube. There's tons of video. After creating your seller account, you are ready to make passive income. Remember one thing, you are not going to get a sale on the day you publish or the second day. You have to keep improving your shop. but the day will sure come when you get your first order and so on. The secret method I was talking about, which helps you to stand out, is, rather than going for a niche, you can go with a sub-niche, like going for dog coloring pages, not animal coloring pages. If you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.